Hi, this is Team 19's weather application demo for the Intro to Software Engineering course at the University of Western Ontario. When developing the application, we use Pivotal Tracker to streamline the software development process. For coding, we use the Eclipse Interactive Development Environment. For version control, we utilize Git and GitHub. To package and build our final Java jar, we used Maven. Next, we will show you a step-by-step walkthrough of our application's features.
Hi, welcome to Group 19's Weather App Demo. This is an app that allows you to view the current weather in your current location. To begin, I'll load up the jar file containing our weather app. This will open the app. Right from the start, you'll notice a large bold tooltip for the user. It says to enter the name of a city. The blinker is also conveniently placed on the search bar for the user. I'm going to be searching Toronto first by entering Toronto and pressing enter. This pulls data from Open Weather App, our API, and displays it in our app. With Toronto pulled up, we can see a lot of information in the current tab, such as sunrise and wind speed. We can also change the unit of measurement for some of these information by clicking these buttons in the bottom right. Currently, our app allows you to change both the temperature and wind speed. The third button is the refresh button, which pulls the most recent data from API, effectively refreshing the information. Also, we can customize our view from the View tab. I'm going to be deselecting humidity, and it will remove humidity info from our current View tab. We also have two other tabs of information for our user. The short-term tab displays info for the next 24 hours in 3-hour intervals, whereas the long-term forecast displays the next 5 days. Next, I'm going to be adding Toronto to my favorites by pressing the Add to Favorite button on the bottom left. This is so I can immediately select it the next time I open the app. You can also remove a city from your favorites by pressing the Remove from Favorites button. With all this in mind, we'll be searching up another city. This time we'll be searching up Yellowknife. Oops, as you can see, city not found is displayed because I made a typo. This also means you can't search up cities that do not exist. If I were to correct my search by adding E to the end of Yellowknife, the city will be displayed properly. First thing you'll notice is that the background changed to blue. This is intentional because it corresponds to the temperature in the city you're looking up. Blue for code and vice versa. Another thing is that all user preferences are saved. For example, I previously changed Celsius to Fahrenheit and removed humidity from our custom view. These changes will carry over to all future searches unless the user wishes to change it. Finally, I'll be searching up a third city and add it to favorites. This time I'll be searching up Miami. Once again, the background changes, this time to red, which corresponds to how hot Miami is. If you notice in the favorites bar, Miami is currently highlighted in red because it's the currently selected city. If we want to look at Toronto, we can simply select it from our favorites and it will highlight Toronto and pull up the data. Lastly, I'm going to show the serialization of our app. I'm going to be closing it and reopening it from command prompt. This will show the data persistence between application launches. As you can see, the previously selected city is shown first, and all user customized preferences such as Celsius to Fahrenheit, humidity, and wind speed are all saved from previous instances. Additionally, all favorites are still saved in the sidebar.